Hello everyone, Pariksha here. Welcome to Guruji Mathematics Tutorials. Today we are going to start with our new chapter of class 9, that is chapter number 1. Okay, chapter name as number system, right? Now obviously, as we know, there are so many types of numbers, right? How many types of numbers we are having? First is natural numbers, right? First we are having natural number. What exactly natural numbers are? वो नंबर्स जो आपके 1, 2, 3, 4, राइट, वो नंबर्स जो आपके 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, दोज नंबर्स आर नोन एज नेचुरल नंबर्स, राइट. What type of next numbers we are having? Next type of numbers in number system we are having is whole numbers, right? It is slightly different from natural numbers, right? अगर मैं कहूँ natural number और whole numbers में क्या difference होता है, तो एक बहुत ही छोटा सा difference होता है. What is that difference? We only add zero in whole numbers, right? Zero हम सिर्फ add कर देते हैं and whole number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity, right? Other type of numbers we are having is integers, right? What exactly integers are? Those numbers which are containing negatives, positive and zero, right? Negative, positive and zero. See, so I can write here, we can start with -3, -2, these are the negative numbers, right? Negative numbers, right? -1, -2, -3, right? And 0, 1, 2, 3. So if I say are natural numbers like irrational numbers? Yes, right? How? Because 1 is a rational number. Why I am saying 1 is a rational number? Because 1 can be written as 1 upon 1, right? Which is in the form of P upon Q, right? So it is a rational number, right? So in short we can say all the natural numbers are rational numbers, all the whole numbers are natural numbers, integers are natural numbers, irrational numbers, right? So these are the rational numbers, right? Apart from that, if we see other type of number system, or we can say real numbers, एक हमारे पास आता है real numbers. Real numbers क्या होते हैं? इसको ऐसे समझते हैं, सपोज एक बॉक्स है हमारे पास जो रियल नंबर्स का, राइट? तो इस बॉक्स में क्या होगा? इस बॉक्स में आपके नेचुरल नंबर्स भी होंगे, इस बॉक्स में आपके होल नंबर्स भी होंगे, राइट? इस बॉक्स में आपके इंटीजर्स भी होंगे और इस बॉक्स में आपके रैशनल नंबर्स भी होंगे, right? So these are this is we can say real numbers, right? Apart from these rational numbers, we are having one more concept which is just opposite to rational. We called it as irrational number, right? तो irrational number क्या होते हैं? Just opposite of rational number. वो numbers जिनको हम P upon Q की form में नहीं लिख सकते, right? Cannot be written in the form of P upon Q, right? So those numbers, those type of numbers we called it as irrational numbers. If I say just want to give you an example, you can say √3, right? √3 is an irrational number. √5, all the root numbers are irrational number, right? So this is just a basic concept of the complete, you can say what type of numbers we are having: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rationals, irrational numbers and real numbers, right? So we can say natural number, whole number, integers, rational number and irrational number. These all are the subset of real numbers, right? All are the subset of real number. Now one more basic thing here, natural number is generally denoted as capital N. Whole numbers is generally denoted as capital W and integers denoted as capital Z, right? Basically we denote real numbers as capital R, right? We denote real numbers as capital R, right? So these are some notations of these type of numbers, right?